What's up, guys? It's me, Madeline. We're back with another video. Today we're doing another in or out slime video. Okay, Lola, take it away.
You're out if you like cloud slime more than crunchy slime. You're out if you had school today. You are also out if your favorite holiday is Thanksgiving.
You are back in
if you're wearing socks.
Yeah.
We already did that.
I'm wearing socks.
You are out if you got mail today. I mean, some people Friday. You are out if you have carved a pumpkin.
For Halloween.
Last year.
Probably. Because it's the first day of October. I don't think you would carve a pumpkin on the first day of October.
Out if you went to the pumpkin patch this year. Already.
I want to go.
You're out if you like strawberries. You're out if you're watching this at bedtime.
You are back in if you have a crush on someone.
You're back in. You're out if you're a girl. You're back in if you're a boy. You are out if...
Whoa.
You already ate dinner.
Oh, oop. What's happening?
Slime switch.
Oh, it's time to switch the slime guy.
Hold on. Go over here before we have to show our faces.
What? Guys, I have no idea what's happening right now. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Well, you left extra cloud slime. Well, I'm sorry, it's sticky. Now it's in the water slime.
Yeah, it's fine. Guys, I am so sorry. I don't know what's happening right now. Guys, I don't know what's happening. My phone was just going crazy. Okay. No,
You back on camera?
No.
Just click camera. I'm gonna place it in the container.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, it's really chunky. It's a really bad water slime. Okay, so you are in, you are back in if your favorite color is red.
You are out if you have windows in your kitchen. You are out if you have put up Halloween decorations already.
You are back in if your favorite color is yellow.
Ew.
Ooh.
I hate yellow. You are out if you have a basketball hoop in your front yard.
You're out if you have an annoying sibling. No, you're back in if you have an annoying sibling. Yeah.
Beautiful.
It does not look beautiful. It looks disgusting. That's why the hardest one out to me.
Can I touch it?
Okay, next slime.
Yeah, next slime. Okay.
Yeah, because this is disgusting.
No,
I don't know why you wasted your money on this.
Hey, it's all like fine.
I think it's
all
cool.
right. Hold on, do you want to film?
Well, that's disgusting.
I think it's cool.
Alright. Go ahead and put that.
Well, you will be the person saying, or, yeah.
This one is more softer.
This one's probably the best one to actually make it satisfying. Okay, well, hit it.
You're out if you like the color purple.
Why you do this to
god. The camera! The camera!
I'll just go back to it.
Camera. It's gray. Gray. Okay, we're back.
You're out if you played with slime today. You are out if you did not like and subscribe and turn on that post notification.
Ooh, you are probably out.
You're back in if you did. You are out if you already had lunch today.
That's harsh.
Okay. You are out if your parents own a truck. You're out if your car is a Jeep. You are back in if you love slime. You're back in if you've ever been to Mark Twain Cave in Hannibal, Missouri.
You're out if you pooped today.
Why would you say that?
Would you say such a thing?
You are out if you have been on a road trip this summer.
It's not summer.
Or last summer. You're out if you own pet dogs.
Cat, dog.
You're out if you own a cat. No! You're back in if you have a pet fish.
No, you're not. You're out.
You're out if you're wearing a tie shirt right now.
Oh my God, Lola.
You're back in.
Tie-dye day at our school today.
You
we had to
are
wear
back
tie-dye.
in if you've named your red fish
No.
Deadpool.
Hold on.
It's my turn. Freaking care.
You're out if you're wearing red shoes.
Not me.
You're out if you don't have to tie your shoes.
Which means that you have Velcro shoes.
I don't have Velcro shoes.
You're back in if you.
That's me.
You're out if you can't ride a bike.
It's traumatizing.
Alright guys, well we're gonna change this slime back to the blue slime, which I will be playing with. Again.
You can't have two turns in a row. One turn.
One. What slime do you want to play with?
Pirate
The most best.
Sorry guys, we just don't want you to see our faces.
Yeah, my dad won't allow it.
Go watch the news video if you haven't seen it yet.
Yeah.
Be happy
And watch my new video that I just posted.
Sir, you have something on your face right here. Sir! Sir, you're not getting your mustache. You're not shaving that well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please turn on post notifications and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. So far, we only
I do have 3 subscribers.
yeah.
Please, guys, if we make it to 5
We
subscribers,
will do a special video.
We're just 2 subs away. 2 subs.
you say subscribers.
Most people say I don't care. It's annoying. Mallory. Enough.
Okay, so we just need 2 more.
Both in the meantime.
We just need 2 more.
Hold on.
This time, there might be 2 slimes on the table.
Holden's been abusing the slime lately. Oh my god!
What?
Okay.
Mallory.
Hmm.
No, get the slime off. Oh, that feels good.
No, nothing happened. Are you gonna say in or out? Somebody?
Mallory does.
No, you have to say.
Okay, so you are out if your favorite color is black. You are out if your last name starts with an W.
You're out if your last name starts with an S.
You are back in if you have...
Sorry, guys, I had to move, but I was going to show their face, so sorry if I blocked the screen. I just didn't want to show our face.
Yeah. You are back in if you have black hair.
You're out if you have dirty blonde hair.
You are out if you have a garden. You are back in if you have a pet hamster.
Next slime.
Next slime, guys.
Next slime.
Sorry, we're gonna cover up the camera so you don't see our faces.
Dude, cocky.
Oh my god.
Okay, Mary, get the camera. I'll say it. Get the crap out. Okay, you're back.
Why is it all white? Hello? Okay.
You are out if you've already put up Halloween decorations. Okay. You are out if your deck has plants on it.
You're out.
You're back in if
You don't have any trees in your front or backyard.
you're back in if you have purple slime. Specifically purple. Not pink, purple.
Yes, pink sucks. No offense to
Don't
pink lovers.
say that. This is a kid-friendly channel.
Sure it is.
And some kids love the color pink. So don't be offensive. Sorry, guys. She's just being rude.
Okay, you are out if
We don't like the color pink, but if you do, don't feel offended.
Yeah.
you're out if you.
Oh no!
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. You're out if you have dropped out of school before.
Guys, I'm so sorry. This keeps happening, and I do not mean for it to happen.
She does mean for it to happen.
Shut up, Holden!
Kid-friendly channel!
Yeah.
Don't put that on the concrete. Why is it black?
You have to wait a little. It'll load. It just takes a little while.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys.
Please don't
My
leave.
phone's messed up.
Please don't leave.
Yeah,
Stay
please
tuned.
don't leave.
But she just has a messed up phone.
Yeah. Stop. Don't touch.
Okay, no. Don't worry, guys.
Right, guys. After this slime... How do you do that?
Oh, smash it. Okay. You are back in if.
After this slime, we're going to end the video because it's been kind of long.
Okay, you are out. I mean, you're back in if you see our The Sun video. Go check it out, by the way. Just go check it out. You are out. This is going to be the worst one. You're out if you have a sibling. You're out if you have a sibling. You have only 2 siblings. No, if you only have 1 sibling. You are out if you have not brushed your teeth today. You're back in if Your favorite color is red.
I think that's going to be it for this video. And are you in or out?
Put it in the
Make sure you
comments.
subscribe, hit that like button, ding. See you in the next video.
Bye. Bye. And tell us in the comments if you are in or out.
Yeah, please.
Bye.
Please don't leave us.
Bye.